Welcome back to Simon Says Garage. Welcome back to Simon Says Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got plans.
I'm a stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
This whole weekend is about car fun stuff. And my fun weekend plans include all three of my cars. Well, the three that run anyways. I guess if we're gonna be technical about it. Animal here is getting loaded on the trailer. The Belverado is gonna pull Animal to a car show that's about 3 hours that way. But before we leave for that early tomorrow morning, tonight we're gonna get the Nova out of storage and we're gonna go to a cruise night up the road. Should be a good time, should be a lot of cars, it's beautiful weather. And you know, the Nova, she needs her legs stretched out a little bit.
10 seconds later.
Well, I've already been distracted and changed my plans for right now. I was getting ready to hook up the trailer to the Belverado, and then I got a tip about some cars, some old rusty cars that are sitting at an auction house local to me. So I'm gonna go look at them first. That seems like the responsible thing to do. Definitely prioritizing correctly. Yep, sure am. My bank account hates me. Oh, yeah, all right, that's got the key.
Now you said I had the key.
Thing starts like a dream every time. Seatbelts, folks, I'm responsible. These could be some diamonds in the rough, or they're just rough. I like this thing. Studebaker pickup. Flathead sits in there. Looks complete. A little rough, but complete. Definitely workable. Definitely. Studebaker. Interesting, interesting. It's already damn near a Ratrod. Look at that. This looks like a 57 Chevy. I could be wrong, but that's what it appears to me to be. The spring must have came through the floor there. And maybe even on this side, yep, not sure. I'm not sure what's going on there with that. She's rough. I'm not sure what, I mean, this looks like something I did in the past. Have I worked on this thing before? Looks like it's got a lot of trim and fenders. Old lead work up here on the roof, but that's rusted out. You can see through here. You can see through all here. Oh boy, this one's rough. If I was to do anything with this one, it would be I'd just cut that whole roof off and have a convertible. It's rough there. It's really rough here. Yeah, this thing would take a lot of work, even by my standards. Oh, damn it, it's got a bullet hole. Guess I'm bidding on this one. This thing's cool. It's like an Impala, but it's not. It's a Caprice. I don't know what year this is. 67 maybe? 65? I want this one. Why do I do this to myself? It doesn't smell like death, so that's good. Well, that trunk. Yup. I want to say this is a 67, maybe 65. I don't know. Somebody out there is way smarter than me knows what this is. I don't want to open the door. I like it though. So I guess we're going to be watching the auction site. Damn it. Oh, back to what I was doing. Yeah, this is going to be super fun. The sight lines aren't great on this, which is mainly the problem. But we're going to give her a go. I think we got her. We're golden. Well, I just seen this. All the flapping around has caused that to be a problem. So we may need to fix that before we hit the road with this thing. Maybe we can just like weld something from here to here, call it good. Yeah, it'll be fine. But more importantly, I'll never get over how good this car looks with that behind it. God, it's amazing. Makes me want to cry. Well, we got her backed up in the driveway here. I might have got a little close, but I'm not sure. I think I could have gone at least another 1/16 of an inch. Nope, definitely scraped the paint. Yep, we're good. So here's a quick repair I've come up with for this. I really hope my welder reaches out here, otherwise this is all for none. I'm gonna just kind of weld this wrench in the center so it looks like it's there for decoration when in actuality it's holding this from, you know, because she's cracking bad. So we got to do something, even if it's temporary. We got to do something. Well, the good thing is my welder does make it out here. It is kind of windy today, so I'm hoping I can block enough of the wind to get done what I need to get done, because I got to get it done. Alrighty then. That looks better. Yep, we're doing it. I probably should have brought some gloves with me. Okay, I'm not sure why it's doing that. Oh, I gotta wait the wind gust out. Much more gooder. I don't know why I did that, but I cut it off and it's good enough. It ain't, I mean, that's as good as brand new. Just doesn't look like it's center though, but whatever. I don't have time to monkey with it today. Even though it, I probably, I know what I am. Yeah, it's whatever. I know where I screwed up. I'll get over it. The goal was this, and it is definitely supported now. I wonder if I shouldn't put a couple tacks on this just to re-strengthen that. That's probably a good idea. Good enough. All right, I think we're loaded up and we're good enough. I gotta check the fluids in the Belverado, but I'm running out of time for that today. Maybe later, I don't know. We'll see. I gotta go get the Nova, because it's time to get ready to go to the cruise at Panaprog. Yeah, whatever they call. Well, I don't know why they call it Panaprog. I'm not that smart. This is all set up and ready to go. Heading to Wilmer tomorrow morning. Can't wait. Gotta be a good show.
A few moments later.
She's already claimed it as her car, so obviously she's gonna put the work in. Yep, she is. You almost got it. Oh, you might be off on this side. Check your other side. All right, get it out of there. Off to the side. Bring it out to the side. There you go. Take it over to the other one. All right, elevator going down. Oh, that came down way faster than I was expecting. Way faster. Let's see here. Fuel pump's going. Well, just wait a second. Oh, yeah. God, I love this car. Oh. Listen to that thing purr. That ain't no LS in there. That's big block all day, every day. I sure hope those gray clouds go away, because they does not look nice, but it ain't stopping me. All right, we're headed northbound, hitting the highway. Daughter's got her Lunchable, so she's happy for now. We're in her favorite car, and oh my God, traffic is stopped. It'll be fine. It's all stopped. Road construction. Awesome. Well, we got through that traffic jam. We ran through a little bit of rain, but none of that is stopping us. We got almost a full tank of gas and a destination to go. Let's get there. Well, unfortunately, we found more traffic. And it does not look very nice over there. Let's hope that's north of where we're going, because I don't have wipers on this car either. Well, it definitely wasn't north of here. We're in it. It says it's going to push out here in the next 40 minutes. It does look a little light to the south. I'm hoping it does. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I got to drive the Nova, and that's all that really counts. I really did have full-on intentions of grabbing my Rain-X out of the Belverado, but I got distracted by a squirrel probably. ADHD kicked in, and that was the end of the thought. Now we suffer. Hopefully I got a rag or something in here. It's definitely not getting any better. In fact, I would almost call it getting worse. The Nova needed a bath anyways. It's fine. I'm gonna put my window up now because I'm getting rained on. Well, we made it. The rain's letting up. They said they delayed it about an hour, so that's kind of fine. But that cool Chevelle. I like it. So we're gonna get situated here and figure out what we do, because I've never done this before. Even with that rain that pushed through, the diehards are here, and the rain's clearing out, so it's all good. Oh, he had a rough day. Those are cool exhaust pipes. Well, it started raining again, which isn't cool. So I figured I'd sit in the dry car, because why not? My daughter's creeping through the window because she wants to be rained on. I figured I would get in here and check the weather apps and see what they're telling me, because
I'm in the water.
I don't like the rain. Oh, that's not looking stellar. Push the old play button and see what it does.
And then I will come back inside if it goes harder. Father.
Oh boy, I don't know. It's definitely gonna get worse before it gets any better. Not cool weather. Not cool. Just another weatherman lying to Simon. Oh God. I think we're gonna pull the plug on this today, because it is just raining harder and harder. They're struggling to keep their canopies down out there because the wind's picking up, and I don't want to get caught in a storm with my Nova. And it's not looking like it's gonna quit anytime soon. I'm bummed about it, but hey, at least I got to go for a cruise in the Nova, so that'll work. I think we're just gonna call it quits for tonight, unfortunately. What a disappointment. Weatherman was wrong again. I'm sad. Well, I got the old girl put away here. I'm disappointed. Sorry it didn't work out, but what do you do? I didn't even get to do my burnouts because it was raining so damn hard. I touched the throttle and the thing went sideways, so it's whatever. It just gives me a reason to get this thing out again soon. Very, very soon. It is what it is. Can't change the weather, even though the weatherman lied to me. Now I just gotta hope the weather holds out for tomorrow, and I'm gonna go home, get some shut-eye, get up super early in the morning, and make the 3-hour trek to Welmer.
The next day.
Well, we are up. The sun's barely starting to come up, though. It's early. It's why do I do this to myself? Anyways, car's loaded. We're throwing the cooler in and we're hitting the road. Let's go to a car show. We're here, we made it. I'm a bad YouTuber, so I didn't record any of the drive, but cars are filing in. They're shiny and rusty, which is perfect. We're gonna get the beast fired up now and get it off the trailer. Well, we're basically set up good enough for now. There's a swap meet over there, and I'm gonna do the irresponsible thing and go for a walk through there and see if there's anything I can waste my money on. Well, I didn't do too bad. I got a chain though, so I'll take it. This show is at a civic arena, so you get to use indoor bathrooms. That's worth the drive all on its own. And Biffies, they can be like little poop saunas, you know? Definitely have to do a walkabout. We don't want to get squirrely in this one. Sometimes you just gotta make it fit, whatever it takes. But it gets better. The most impressive thing about that one is he's the third owner, third family member. That's been in his family since day one, 1952. Vietnam veteran tribute car. It's badass. So you did the cab and everything?
Yeah, in progress still.
Every one of them is in progress. So did you just have two cabs you joined together, or did you just?
Nope, I cut the back off, pulled it back 2 feet, and skinned it in.
Nice.
The chassis is an 85. I pulled the chassis out of a field in Texas, and I've got the cab and bed came out from behind a barn in Oregon.
Wow, you've been all over collecting parts.
Yep.
Nice.
Do what you gotta.
Oh yeah, very cool, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Very cool.
Getting cut open for windows tonight, so.
Tonight you're doing it.
Yep.
So far, this show has some of the most creative rat rods I've ever seen, all grouped in one spot. Granted, my reach isn't that far, but still badass. I can't see one of these cars without thinking of Urkel. It's probably dating me a little bit. Supercharged Kenny in a Model A. Perfect. Don't even know why I bothered covering my seat. Just relaxing, enjoying the weather, enjoying the tunes, enjoying the cars. Good show if you ever get to come.
Yep, you're doing good.
Show's over, everybody's packing up and heading out. We're gonna do the same because we got just over 3 hours to get home tonight. But look at that, the animal. Picked up some hardware, I guess you'd call it, spare parts. But not only did the animal win, the Belverado won some hardware too. So it was a great freaking day. 2 cars, 2 trophies. Can't wait till next year. Let's go home. Made it back home. It wasn't completely without incident, though I didn't really get it on camera. The Belverado went into limp mode one time, shut it off, came right back, and then when we got ready to leave the car show, I went to hit the key and nothing. Zip, zilch, nada, no nothing. Crawled underneath there, jumped the solenoid, now it's been starting fine ever since. So maybe something's loose under there, I don't really know. But whatever, it's whatever. I'll look at it. The guys that are doing that Rusty Eyeball car show do an excellent job. They try to make it as organized as possible, no confusion. It was just great. And the fact that I brought hardware home from not 1 but 2 that was impressive to myself. Already got the animal unloaded, because I need the trailer empty for tomorrow, but you'll find out about that in another video. So until next time, we'll do this again. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Bye.